Hello, this is Raihan. Welcome to another video of Java class number 10. In this video, I will talking about Java typecasting. The typecasting when you assign a value of one primitive data type to another type. So the typecasting, there are two types of casting. Number one is widening casting and number two is narrowing casting. Okay, so widening casting is automatically and narrowing casting is manually. The widening casting is convert a smaller type to larger type. Okay, and the narrowing casting is converting larger to smaller. Okay, here the byte is very smaller than a short. A short is smaller than character. Character is smaller than integer. Integer is smaller than longer. Longer is smaller than float. Float is smaller than double. Okay. So narrowing casting is working larger to smaller. Okay. So the double data type is larger than float, and float data type is larger than longer. The longer data type is larger than integer. Integer data type is larger than character. Character data type is larger than short. The short data type is larger than byte. Okay, so it was the process or two type of casting. Okay, so now let's see an example. So here is the example. So you can see this is a byte data type and integer data type. So two different of data type and two different of variable name and two different of value. Okay, the byte value is 127 and integer you can see. Okay, so which one larger and which one smaller? Now let's check it. So the byte is smaller and integer is larger. Okay, so what will happen if I talking with widening casting there? You realize that? Okay, so first you see this is b equal to a, so it will not working, because this is a smaller and this is a larger. Because so here is working if the print is larger, so the a is larger. That means it's this statement is working. Okay, and if I talking narrowing casting, then narrowing casting is manually. So I will clear it when I working NetBeans. Narrowing is convert larger to smaller. Okay, so here you find it this is smaller, so this is smaller. The variable name is b. That means the smaller to larger. Okay, that means it will work with narrowing casting. Okay, so now let's see practically. I will going to NetBeans. Okay, there I show you practically, and it's too clear Java typecasting. Okay. That's it. So this is my NetBeans and I have already done my setup, and I have already took a project. The project public class is typecasting, and now I will going to show you. So first I will show you widening casting. Okay, now let's see how to work. Okay, so the widening casting, that it's smaller to larger. So first I take byte value a, I include here, and integer b equal to a, and let's see print out b. Okay, so what will happen if I click on this run? Okay, so this is a byte data type and the variable name a, and I input value 127. This is a larger integer data type, and here is the b is variable. And what I doing here, so this operation is this is a, so the b value of a, so print out here a. Okay, and the a of value 127. Okay, so the b is printed 127. So this bytecode is automatically casting to integer value. Okay, now let's check out. So here you see the result. Okay, it was widening casting, and now we're going to learn narrowing casting. So you know that the narrowing casting is larger to smaller. Okay, so what I will do here, just comment this line, and now we're going to create a new line. Byte a equal to b. Okay, and here is the value is, oh, it's too much, just a little bit. Okay, so here you see oh, here the another problem is a. Okay, that's it. Now it's will okay, but one thing here, so the bytecode is not doing automatically. Okay, it's manually. So what I will do, you need to include here byte. That's it. Okay, you see that everything is fine, there is no error. So what I have done here, so the narrowing casting always higher to lower. Okay, now let's see. So first of all, you see integer data type is going to byte data type. Okay, so it is a casting. Now let's run this code. Well, you see the build successful and I got a result. Okay, so it was a narrowing casting, and now today I'm going to show you another thing, which is what, which is type promotion. What does a type promotion? Let's see. Okay, first I take here byte and equal to value is 18 and b equal to 15. That's it, and I want to print it here. So if I print a byte result equal to a plus b. Okay, and I want to print result. Okay, so you see I got a problem, I got an error. Okay, so why I got an error? So you know that if I a of value and b of value going to, if I add addition or add, then I will got a result 113. So you know that the out of range byte code. Okay, that's why we are getting error. Okay, so what I will do here, so it was the main theme of type promotion. I'm type here integer. Okay, so now you see the problem is solved. Now everything is fine and I will get output. Let's check out. That's it. Here you see 130. Okay, so what I done here, you need to know that here you see the byte value is 18 and another byte data type we have this variable value of 15. This operation is not depend on byte data type. Okay, so this depend only on integer or it's too much value, which data type is here the acceptable, it will be work. So it was the video of typecasting. If you have any confuse or if you have any question, comment section below. You can also comment me, I will try to repeat again. I hope this video is very helpful. If you have a video is very valuable, then you should subscribe my channel and follow. Okay, so have a good day, see you the next video.